Hello, good day, gentlemen. I'm Oliver from Oliver Hobby. Now we will unbox one new excavator from Leisu, ready to run. And it is a real one. That one was a McLark MC15 model. Yeah, let's open it. Let's have a general look in. So it's well protected by the thick foam and hard this cotton box. So everything is intact with also very beautiful painting. Wow, this one, the door is sliding open. That's awesome. And also window slide open, sliding back. Very smooth one. With spring. Let's see others. Soon I will put hydraulic oil and check radio settings, test all the functions. Here should be unlocking the cover. Let's have a battery inside. That's the receiver. You should be using, it's a 3S battery. So only after fill up hydraulic oil and the rising arm, test all the functions.